Good morning, everyone. So I actually was supposed to launch my collection today, which is what, Friday. I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting this video, but I actually pushed it to next Friday because I'm still in the process of kind of niching down the designs and everything. I'm going to go ahead and get me some coffee so I can start my day, and you're going to watch me actually get ready for the launch. So you're going to see me make some shirts, some sweatshirts, and some notepads if I have time. So pretty much you're just gonna be spending the day with me, and hopefully it is a very productive day. You never know, I might actually complete this within days in time, but I'm going to try to get this done as fast as I can. I did actually cut the sleeve off my sweatshirt, and I really do like this look. Now, I've been doing this with my t-shirts lately, and I just love off the shoulder. I love it. It's just like, it's giving, I don't know, it's giving something. But I really do like it, and I hope you guys do like the collection once I do launch it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as I mentioned, I did actually cut the collar off of my sweatshirt. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to sell it this way or have the option to actually have the collar cut off, like me do it and I ship it out this way. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below, should I have an option for the collar to be removed, or should I just sell it to you guys normally and then let you guys actually play with it when you get the package? I don't know. Tell me what you guys think, because I was even hesitant cutting the collar off of mine, so I know I'm gonna be like, hesitant trying to cut a bunch of sweatshirts or t-shirts or X, Y, and Z. But for real, let's go ahead and get started.
Y'all, it is literally 4:01. You probably can't see it, but yes, it is 4:01 p.m. and this is how I be. This is what I be talking about. I could plan my whole entire day and it never goes as planned. As my girls say, Priscilla, hey girl, if you watching, life be lifing. Life be lifing. So it's 4 o'clock. I'm about to eat a salad, and I went ahead and printed out a I created a thermo notes to add into my craft binder. Pretty much it has the name, the type, which is like vinyl or tumbler, the temperature, and the seconds, because I get confused sometimes when I'm pressing certain materials and certain things. So I created this to kind of organize myself in that aspect as well. Y'all, after I ate that salad, my parents stopped by. Well, they already was here, right? Y'all not gonna believe what time it is. Y'all not gonna believe it. I was just telling you it was 4 o'clock. Now look what time it is. It's 7:07. How?
All right, you guys, I just felt like it was just best to just start fresh the next day. So right now I'm just going through all of my emails and responding to all of the messages that you guys actually send me. I try to respond to you guys within like 24 to 48 hours, but sometimes I get to you guys a little later than that. And there's been times where messages has slipped through the cracks and I haven't responded to those in like a week or so. I really apologize. I'm not sure how that happened, but I do try to make sure I respond to every message.
Okay, so I went ahead and printed out all of my designs, or cut the vinyl for the designs. And the vinyl that I usually go with is HTV Ront for my plain vinyl. And then for anything that's like glittery, like this right here, I use this brand here. I can't pronounce the name and I'm not even going to try. But yes, this brand here. Now for my collection, Pink Paradise, I wanted it to only have 2 different types of vinyl: glitter pink, bubblegum pink, and black. And that's it. I'm only going to be offering 3 colors, which is, as far as the shirt goes, is black, white, and pink. So hopefully everything comes out good. I really do love how my sweatshirt came out. So I'm pretty sure these designs are going to come out just as great. I had them already pre-labeled with sticky notes. I like to always, cut my vinyl first and then come over here to the Cricut to do what I have to do, because I just, I don't like to go back and forth. So I'm going to go ahead and load up my mat on a heavy Cricut mat. Let me grab it.
So when it comes to actually like making my t-shirts or anything to do with like a heat press period, I have like a love and hate relationship with my Cricut because weeding is not fun, but yet I know if I'm trying out new designs and I don't want to like fully commit to the designs, I want to see if it's going to be popular or not. I love to actually do it in-house first before I actually outsource. So it's like, I know some people are like, well, why wouldn't you just go and buy the DTF prints and stuff? But I just, let me see how it goes, and then I'll feel more comfortable with purchasing like large bulks of DTF prints.
Okay, so everything cut out just fine except this particular image. This one right here, for some reason, let me try to focus. It's keep cutting this little like triangle line. You see that line in between UR? I don't know why it's doing that, and it actually happened twice. This image is actually too big. I have to size it down a little bit more. Thank God. It, you know, I have to size this down. I feel like this is too big for a shirt, for a size large. But yeah, it keeps giving me this line in it. I don't know. If I can't figure it out how to get this Cricut to cut the image correctly, I'm just gonna have to take this out of the Pink Paradise collection and find something else. So we're gonna move that aside, but everything else actually cut out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start weeding this out. I'm gonna start with the small ones first.
Okay, so right now I'm just going ahead and weeding out my designs. And again, you know, it can be a little tedious, but I do enjoy weeding sometimes. It's just when it comes to those little small elements like letters, I do not like weeding letters because sometimes it doesn't cut all the way through and it just frustrates me. But I really do enjoy doing this. It is kind of soothing and therapeutic at times, but then sometimes I'm like, I'm over it. Tomorrow. All right, so I'm done weeding everything out, and I really do love the designs. They came out super cute, and I feel like it's like simple, but yet it speaks volumes. I don't want my shirts to be like oversaturated with a bunch of designs. I want it to be like simple and sweet. Again, the entrepreneur shirt is like probably the #1 shirt for me. I love it. And then the blessed shirt as well. But I hope you guys really do enjoy these designs because I do. So now I'm about to go ahead and heat up my heat press to 310 degrees, and I'll be pressing each design for around 15 seconds each. So I actually just came back from Home Depot and I purchased this table that I'm currently working on for about $44, and I really do like it. It is adjustable as far as height adjustment. If you're working with limited space like I am, I feel like this table will be a great purchase for you. I will have it linked in the description box below. My first thought was to go to IKEA and just like build a desk like I did before, but I was on like a price limit and I didn't want to spend too much money, but I also wanted something adjustable to where I can take it down and move it around freely. So this desk is like perfect. And I'm like only 5'5", so it kind of stands directly right at my waist, which I don't have to slouch over or feel like uncomfortable when I'm actually doing a project.
Okay, excuse my printer because I'm trying to print out some to-do lists to kind of test out how the design looks. But I like how they really came out. I really love this one. I might cut the collar off of these, to be honest, because like I said, I love the look. And then I love this one. Proud small business owner. You have blessed, entrepreneur. I really like this shirt because you can wear this with anything. And I put my established date, which was last year. You have a reading one, really cute. And we have this one. Now I'm gonna actually be putting a lot more designs on my website, but I think I'm gonna start off with these for now. I don't want to overwhelm myself, you know, with a lot because I'm still working on my aesthetics collection or stationery collection, and I feel like it's going actually pretty well. I might do another vlog just specifically showing you guys my designs and things. I'm not sure when I'm going to launch that, but it should be soon once I figure out, you know, what I want to include. And I also, again, will have an option to where you can order everything together in a bundle. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this vlog, you guys, and I'm gonna these will be, I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this, but it probably will be posted before launch date, which is this coming Friday on the 20, I want to say the 22nd. Yep, the 22nd. So this video will probably already be like posted before then. But just let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think of the designs? You know, should I offer more colors, anything of that nature? I don't have any white t-shirts available, so I will have the option of a white t-shirt, pink t-shirt, and a black t-shirt, and the same with the sweatshirts and the hoodies. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me to prepare for launch on Friday, but I will talk to you guys on my next vlog.